Alright, so this would be Friday's video. You see we're finally getting rejection here. We are finally getting some rejection on ES up here. And obviously I'm still completely bearish since this whole week has been 1 day's worth of trading. MACD still pointing down. I really want to see it get under these EMAs here. And then we could have a trade. You're really waiting for ES to fall. ES is holding this market up pretty well. So we got above this 1,176 level and we couldn't hold it. That's pretty bearish, I would say. It's what happens when we get to this 750. You really want to see it get down to 750 and then keep going. And then you could say without a doubt, sellers are in control. Right now, I guess you're in the middle again. You could snap a fib. Damn near 50%. 50%. 50%'s right here. So we're dead ass in the middle of a range from Asia. We're under VWAP, which is the white line. I'm still pretty nervous about this 15 minute, but here we go. You're finally breaking the back here. What is this? 300. ES is still holding, man. ES is like strong today. If we crack this 15-minute zone, I'm definitely more or less interested because I want to test this 750 level is my idea. So 290 would be something. Yeah. That's why you try not to short it breaking the 15-minute. I think I did that Monday. Trying to predict that this is going to fail just because MACD's down. The real problem is ES is strong right now. ES is strong. NASDAQ is not so strong. And you're going different directions. See how like the green and yellow is up here? That's the first 5 minute and the first 15 minutes of the market open. See how we're way under it? Now if you go to ES, look how we're holding it. But if this falls, that means NASDAQ's going to lead and we could probably crater pretty hard. So we're really waiting for ES to get under these levels right here. Yesterday's high and last week's high. But then you still have the cloud, so you got to be careful even shorting the market on NASDAQ. I'm almost talking myself out of a short. It's too strong. Definitely talked myself out of a short right here. Mm-hmm. It's actually just debating to go long, so kind of good I didn't, even though it could just pop right back up. Still pretty bearish. Why I'm bearish is this MACD, and we took all these highs out. So I'm looking for the Asia low. That's what I'm looking for. It's just fucking ES, man. ES is just moving today. How do you get in front of this saying it's gonna short? It's like we took this low over here and we're right back over it. I mean, if you're a, a buyer, like once we get above this, I think you're golden to go back up. And you use the 15-minute, you use the 5-minute here to prop it up. I think it's gonna go up. You're above these big numbers, ES the same way. You're above this big number right there, 3,000. But then it does something like this, and I'm already short biased, so it's kind of like I'm waiting for this big crash. That hasn't, excuse me, that hasn't happened yet. And at this point, I don't really think it's gonna happen. I'd be glad for it to happen because I understand it going down right now, and I'd be willing to put on more risk. Going up, I'm only willing to do like 3 to maybe 5 contracts because it's not the direction I was thinking it was gonna go. Like we're holding off right here, but there's like no big delta here. It's like why are we holding off here? And we're just gonna take 3. See if it goes up to 387. It's kind of my idea. This is totally risky. This is retarded to be honest with you. I'm kind of just trying to join the momentum here. There's a little bit of irritation too. It's not really the best trade. it could definitely work out. I mean, it's a good trade as far as like momentum. It's just doesn't really fit what I want to do and what I got going on in the charts. It's kind of just trying to trade with some momentum. It's ES that's fucking me up. ES kind of slowed down right here, but you can see this pop up. It's going to drag NASDAQ up with it. There we go. No? Now we're back at yesterday's high, previous week's high. And we're not going to keep making this mistake. We're going to take that $100. We're going to roll on with our day. And those little moves are exactly what I do. It's just I'm not more confident on this, so I mean, I'm not so confident with this trading because it's not really going the way I want to go, but I'm just trying to follow momentum here, really. And that would be 322 for the day. Um, most people don't make $322 in a day. Might as well it be 10 o'clock. It's good money. My trading, you can tell it hasn't been bad. See, I'm at pretty much 56% right, but my losses have been so nothing that it doesn't matter. It's evening out. Like yesterday, I was saying, or a couple of days ago, I was saying my win rate's typically 80%. 60 is low, but if I make like 3 or 4 more trades, this percentage probably gets higher. And if I can keep the average loss and average win like this, that's when everything's gonna look really good. But I don't know how much I'm gonna trade today. With news coming this week and already having 322 and the market not really doing what I thought it was gonna do, kind of seems like it will lead into bad trading. I really want to see it get under this 15-minute cloud, and I want to see ES stop with all this strength. But then like ES falls into the 5-minute, that could hold as support, the 15 could hold as support. So it kind of just looks like it's gonna go up today. Or it's gonna like bounce down into this area and then it'll hold. Very much like this could be the bottom for the day and this could be like the topish for the day and everything else is in range. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Because you gotta remember there is news coming this week. So remember, in news weeks, you could just go sideways until you get the news. But I think that's it. If I make more trades, it'll go on to next week. Posting, I'm trying to get enough videos for the week. I also trade like this, so it's not like I'm doing something that I normally don't do.